Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Beauty. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a try-on haul by featuring StyleWe. StyleWe is an online boutique store and they have some really great outfits. Guys, I was sent over these outfits to try on for you guys, to share with you guys my thought and my opinion. And they also gave me a coupon code for you guys, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box so you guys can head over to StyleWe and hey, get you some good stuff, guys. And if you guys want to order some things and you guys want to, you're going to be going out of town or something like that, guys, please order at least 2 weeks in advance so you make sure you have your stuff before your trip, okay? So without me further rambling, guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video. Please make sure you thumbs your girl up. Go ahead, do it now. Make sure you guys comment down below. Check out the items down below in the description box. Please make sure you hit that bell notification on the right hand side of the screen. And what else do I want you guys to do? Y'all already know, share your girl, okay? And when you share your girl, that's right, share some more. Okay, so without me further rambling, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump up into the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making the video. And thank you again to StyleWe for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys over there in the video. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so here's my first outfit. The shirt. Look at this. Look how cute this is. It's see-through now. So what got me was the puffy arm sleeve. You get the buttons right here. You get 3 fasten buttons. You get the tie like a bow. You can tie it however you want. You can tie it to the side. You can tie it in the middle. I think I have it in the center of my neck. And yeah, this is so cute. And it was a little see-through, so I had to put on a white bra with a what do you call this? A white bra with, oh my gosh, it's like a bandeau that goes over your bra. So I thought this was cute. The black pants that I have on, they're high-waisted. I got the shirt is in a medium, the pants is in a medium. So you get these trousers, you get this little extra piece right here on the side. I thought this was cute and different. I didn't have anything like it. Hopefully you guys can see my shoes. So I said I would stand here in front of the mirror. So I like this, guys. I think this is actually really cute. So like I said, these trousers and the shoes I got from Charlotte. I got these for $2, right? You guys see the shoes. Like I didn't, I actually could have got these pants in a size small. I got them in a medium, and they keep sliding down off of me. That's because your girl done lost some more inches. But yeah, guys, I thought this outfit was so cute. This is what the back looked like. View from the front. Guys, this is so business attire. This is so me. I love this look. This look is giving sophisticated. This look is giving, I put together, I worked hard. I'm going to an important meeting. And guys, when I say this shirt feels really good, it's not scratchy. The pants feel really good. They're not scratchy. They do have stretch in them, so they are stretchable. So I will get my size. So you could definitely get your size, right? What else can I say about this outfit? StyleWe, you did your thing on this. This is so cute. I loved it when I first seen it. Y'all, sorry, my nose keep trying to run, but I thought this was so sophisticated, so cute. You could even wear this to church if you put on a white tank up under here, to where you know you can't really see your bra and stuff like that. So I would have to this does cover a lot in the front, but it's the back that you'll still be able to see your bra. So you definitely want to wear something up under here. Your choice, of course. Me, I will wear a white tank, right? So this is my first outfit. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. Thank you, StyleWe. This is so, so beautiful. So without me standing this one too long, let me go. Okay, so I chose this purse, right? It's clear. I got this from Shein because this goes with my shoes. My shoes are clear and black. So I thought this would be really, really cute, guys. Hopefully you guys are able to see my shoes on with this because I'm using a different camera today. So hopefully you guys can see that. Look how cute. That is so, so cute. I love it, love it, love it, guys. Okay, guys, here is my next outfit. It's off-white. You get, it's really, really soft to the touch. It's soft, it's comfortable to wear. You get these 3 buttons right here. It's got the pearl and the gold trimming around the pearl. And you get also the same thing here going down. You get 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons to go down. Then you get the pearls to go right here on the side. I thought this was really, really cute. And this is an off-white. And then the pants, they come up pretty high, which is where I like mine. So the pants leg has the pearl as well going down the leg, starting from up here. You get the pockets. I paired it with my clear purse again that I got from Shein, and I didn't put on any accessories. You can, if you want to, you could double your necklace if you wanted to wear to bring this outfit out, but I wanted to look more put together, more corporate like. So I paired it with my shoes that I got from Amazon, which is off-white and clear. So it goes with my shoes really, really well. Hopefully you guys can see it in the mirror. This is a back view. Then back around to the front. Let me step back some more so you guys can get, hopefully you guys can see the whole outfit from back here. Guys, this is so, so cute. And the jacket is in a size medium and the pants is a medium. So you could actually get your size. I got my size and everything, so everything fits perfectly. I love StyleWe clothes. I was skeptical about them at first when I first started seeing them online, but then I kind of did a little bit of research, find out, hey, StyleWe is where it's at, okay? So I'm going to give you guys a spin tour. I don't have one of the undie shirt guys up under here, so I can't open the show you guys what it would look like with the jacket open, but I prefer it to be closed anyways. You could always unfasten one button, but since I have my mic right here, I can't unfasten it. But guys, hey, this is gorgeous. This is, I'm her. When you walk in the room, everybody gonna know, hey, who is that? That's who? Who? You gonna know my name. So guys, what do you think? I think this is really, really cute. I love this outfit. It is gorgeous. And I think the color complements my skin. You can pull this off with so many different colors. You can't go wrong with this. I can wear this to church, you know, going up in there looking all comfortable. Let me see, do I have any side pockets to make sure I'm not missing anything? So the pants have pockets on the side, right? You do have pockets. The jacket does not have pockets, so that's fine. I still love it. I still love it, okay? So what do you guys think about this outfit? And did I forget to say both legs have the pearls going down the leg. I thought this was really, really beautiful with the pearls going down the jacket. StyleWe did their thing on this, guys. She's beautiful. I love it. So again, she's going to be linked down below in the description box, so please go down there and look so you can go get you some StyleWe. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is the final and last outfit. This shirt came from StyleWe. It's blue, turquoise, and white. It's really, really soft and smooth to the touch. I love it. It's actually a off-white and turquoise. I love this color. I paired it with some leather pants that I had from Fashion Nova, and I paired it with my purse I got from Shein. And the shoes that I have on, I got these from, let me step back a little further. I got these shoes from Amazon. How cute is this, guys? The sweater is a turtleneck. This is the back view. This is the view from the side. I think this is really, really cute, guys. Really sophisticated, other than my pants making this noise. I like the outfit. I love it. I love the color. I love the style of it. I'm loving everything about it. So this is really, really soft, guys. It's not hot. It's a sweater material, but it's actually thin. But it feels so amazing. So you can't go wrong with StyleWe, guys. If you're looking for you some affordable, cute outfits, give StyleWe a try. Like I said before, the shipping actually takes 2 weeks to get to you. So if you're going somewhere important, actually order your purchase like 2 weeks before. I love the customer service. Thank you, StyleWe, for reaching out to your girl. Hopefully we'll continue to do some collabs together. And guys, I'm telling y'all, this is some good stuff. If your girl say it's approved, because I'm picky, so I won't take on anything that I don't think that's you know, a good value. It's budget friendly, but it's also a great value. So guys, check StyleWe out. And if you guys like what your girl brought you guys today, guys, make sure that you show your girl, go shopping at StyleWe, tell them your girl sent you. There is a code down below for you guys to get some coins off. Who don't want some coins off, okay? So if you want some coins off, check out StyleWe, use your girl's code below in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.